and with a hope that we are doing well. And before I start today's session, let me wish you all the best for your pre-boards that is yet to be started, or if they have already started, then a very best of luck to all my dear friends who are going to appear for the pre-board exams. Let us continue with this. Into the midpoint theorem, or into the section formula, we have already discussed about the section formula, where the line is divided into two sections in a fixed ratio, that is m or n. Fine. And then this time there is a very small topic, that is midpoint formula, which basically deals with the fact that we have to define the line segment. If suppose that we are having a line segment and which is supposed to be divided into two equal halves. Let's suppose this is the point A with coordinate x1 y1, and this is the coordinate B, point B with coordinate x2 y2. And suppose that we need to find out the point, let's say P, which is exactly at the center of this line x and y. Now here what I just want to tell you about the fact that this line has been divided, this line segment basically has been divided into two equal halves. That is the let's say two equal halves means the ratio of the division of these lines are going to be same. Fine friends. So in this progress, in this system where this line segment is divided into two equal halves, therefore the formula that will be applied in order to find out the coordinates of the point, or we can call it the coordinates of the midpoint of this line segment, is the P of xy, where x is the x coordinate and y is the abscissa or the y coordinate. Then we can easily write down for the value of P xy, directly substituting the values in the form as x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now why is it that we have taken 2 as a denominator into this midpoint theorem? The reason behind this is that the value or the line segment which was being divided by the point P at its center is being divided in equal ratio, let it be 1 and 1. Just because of this reason, this midpoint theorem or midpoint formula comes into existence. So this is one of the implementations of the section formula that is supposed to be taken into account. Now friends, what I would be doing here is that I would just try to provide you with an example continuing the section formula, where the points have been given to us. That means all the 3 points would be given and we need to find out the ratio into which the line has been divided. So let us not waste time and see what is the implementation of this section formula, and let us take a quick review before we switch on to the formula or to the problem. Section formula says that if the line segment has been divided in the ratio m is to n, and I need to find out the coordinates of m, then in that case what we can do here is we will directly apply the formula as x1 mx1 plus n x2 upon m plus n. And then for the y coordinate we can apply the same thing, like m of, just hold on for a moment. Just a second friends. Yeah, so m of x2 plus m of x1. m of x2. Similarly, we will use m of y2, m multiplied by y2 plus n multiplied by y1 upon m plus n. Now this will give us the values for the coordinates of x and y whenever we are using the midpoint or section formula in order to calculate the coordinates of the point into which the line has been divided. So let us see how can we do this. Just a second.